Hello there everyone, welcome to the maze that is the Beckton branch. And we're just about to go and do the next stretch of our adventure on the DLR. And the next stretch is the Beckton branch. So, we're just hopping up onto platforms 1 and 2 now. Our train is in 2 minutes, I think. Oh dear. Why are you standing right there? Lovely. Alright then folks, this one here is Royal Victoria. It's got 2 platforms to its name. Now, this station opened in 1994, however, from 1855 there was already tracks running through here for the, I can't remember which line it was for now off the top of my head, but those trains continued running forward till 2006 when that line then was discontinued. You can change here at the DLR for the cable car, so there is the station for the cable car, and also for London City Hall. Oh, it's a busy one.
Mind the gap.
So this here is a custom house, 2 platforms in an island configuration for the DLR, and this opened in 1994 as well. It was 1855 when the Eastern Counties Railway passed through here, but that closed in 2006 to passengers, and now the DLR is all that remains of it. And you can alight here for the XL Arena, well, XL West, and also over there the Elizabeth line, because when that was built they had to close this station temporarily and then they reopened it. Mind that. Never miss an opportunity to tell someone mind that. What's the member back? The XL Arena over there?
This train is for Beckton. The next stop is Prince Regent for XL East and ICC London. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
London? want to know what the ICC London is. Or is it ICC Rain? And lots of it. So this here is the Prince Regent. As you can see, the Elizabeth line just flying past us there. 2 platforms, island configuration. Opened in 1994 with 1855 the Eastern Counties Railway passing through until 2006. And you can change here for the wind, which is getting up and is rather bloody cold, and also the XL Arena and the ICC London, whatever the frick that is. I do see something though that does take my interest. The F1 collection is still here. I want it. Get to the bench. The old MFF bench. So this one here is, what's this, Royal Albert? 2 platforms to this one, and you can change here for West Beckton. This station did open in 1994 as well. However, it replaced a station that was on the Eastern Counties Railway, which closed in 1940, known as Connor Road. That's spelled C-O-N-N-A-U-G-H-T. If I've pronounced that wrong, I don't care, nor do I apologise. I am straight under this bridge. Ooh, I found the driest spot in the place. So next up here we have Beckton Park, 2 platforms. This station was also opened in 1994, however replaced a previous station that was on the Eastern Counties Railway, which closed in 1940, called Central, and is also one of 2 stations like this, because above us you're on a roundabout. Have a guess what the other station might be. told us that the first 2 times. Right, the other phone has had to sub in. This is Cyprus Station, 2 platforms to its name, and rather like the last station we were just at, which was Beckton Park, this station also opened in 1994, but is also situated underneath this roundabout, which you might think that that's rather unusual. And to be honest with you, it is rather unusual that it's situated under a roundabout, but also perfectly fine at the same time. Trains here. Red phone is going to have to sub. Because the black phone is being a you-know-what. Yeah, I've had to sub in the red phone. So if the quality's a little pants, I apologise. I really do. Right then, so next up folks is Galleon's Reach. 2 platforms to this station. This station opened with the extension in 1994. However, up until 1970, all of this area that you see around me here was Beckton Gasworks and was also brownfield land. And look at that, you get a lovely view of the City of London from here in the distance. Now there was a tentative plan that this was going to extend onwards to Dagenham Dock, but those plans have since been shelved, and it doesn't look like we'll be going to Dagenham Dock anymore. But we get to Beckton, which is next. End of the line. It certainly is. We'll just move it over here. So this is Beckton railway station then folks. 2 platforms in an island configuration to its name. And this station opened in 1994. However, it did replace a mainline station that was known as Beckton in 1940. Now that had long since gone when the gasworks and whatnot were all around. And you can change here. Is an interchange for a bus station, which is just down the bottom there. And that's about it with Beckton. But there's that ugly bus again on the 101. What is that? That is the ugliest monstrosity I've ever seen in the history of monstrosities. A review may be done. Alright, when does... it's the train I want, Airway 54 and 94, because it goes to Tower Gateway. So that's very useful. Right, we'll jump back on it then. Lovely. Right, let's go sit up at the front here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Beckton branch. First of all, I'll extend my apologies for the camera switch halfway between. The black phone ran out of battery, and I've only just put it in for charge now, and the battery that's due to charge is only at 1.5 points. Useful. Gonna need more than that when the future comes. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. Thank you as well to the members for the continued support on the channel. If you want to be a member, just like everyone else, it is $3.99 for a membership. Vlogs early, shouted out at the end of their videos. Couldn't be simpler. So that's going to do it for this one. And that only leaves, well, there's a couple more to do. But first off, we've got a couple little stations to tick off. And we're going to do that now. So I'll see you all next time.